Fifth grade into math lesson 17.7 part 2 on your own. Aubrey buys some apples that weigh 2 pounds each. She gets the apples and puts some of the halves on the scale. The total weight is shown on the scale. How many apples are on the scale? So we have 1 and 5/10 pounds, right? Okay, we have 2/10 pounds each. And then the total weight is shown on the scale. How many apples are on the scale? So what are we going to do with our dividend? So 1 and 5/10 divided by 0 and 2/10. Okay. What are we going to do first? Okay, bring the decimal over one place to the right. What I do here, I do over here. Okay. So 2 into 15 is what? 7 minus 14. 1. I need to add a 0. Bring it down. 2 into 10 is 5. Minus 10. Nothing left over. Okay. So what is our answer? 7.5. Okay. Zulu claims 27 and 5/10 divided by 2/10 is 13 and 75 hundredths. Is she correct? So we're going to take, so this is number 5. Number 6, 27 and 5/10 divided by 2/10. What do I need to do first? Move the decimal over to get a whole number and then bring it straight up. What I do to the divisor, I do to the dividend. Okay, so 2 goes into 2 once, minus 2, nothing left over. Bring down the 7. 2 into 7 is 3 times, minus 6. 1, bring down the 5. 2 into 15, 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. 15 minus 14 is, okay, I can't just put a remainder, so I have to add a what? 0. Bring it straight down. 2 into 10 is 5 minus 10. Nothing left over. Okay, so is she correct? So no, because she has what? She has the decimal in the wrong place value, right? No, because she has the decimal in the wrong place. Making the values wrong. Making the place values incorrect. Bless you. Okay, next one, number 7. So we have 21 divided by 5. Bring my decimal straight up, right? Okay, because I didn't have a decimal in the divisor, right? 5 into 21. 4 times minus 21. Put the 0, bring it down. 5 into 10. 2 times minus 10. Nothing left over, so my answer is 4/10. Number 8. I have 2 and 7900 divided by 1800. What do I need to do first? Move the decimal 2 places. What I do in the divisor, I do in the dividend. Bring the decimal straight up. 18 into 2. 18 into 27. 9 left over. Bring down the 9. 18 into 99. So basically, 18 is added to what? 20. How many times does 20 go into 99? 5 times, right? 5 times 8 is 40. Put the 0, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is, plus 4 is 9. So 9 left over. Add a 0. Bring it straight down. We have 90. Did we just get that? Yep. So 5 minus 90. Nothing left over. So my answer is 15 and 5/10. So number 9, 10 and 4/10 divided by 1 and 6/10. What do I do first? Take your time, finish the decimal one place to the right. What I do in the divisor, I do in the dividend. 16 into 1? No. 16 into 10? No. 16 into 1 or 4. So we can round 16 to what? 20? About how many times would that be? 5. Are we a little under? So we could try 6, right? And if we need to, we can always go back to 5. 6 times 6 is, put the 6, mentally carry the 3. 6 times 1 is, plus 3 is 9. So we're left with 8, right? Yes, no? Okay. Add a 0, bring it down. 16 into 80. 4 times? 5, because remember we said 16, we went up to 20, but we're a little bit low, right? We're a little bit high for our estimate, so let's go ahead and try the 5. If not, we can come back down to the 4. 5 times 6 is 30, put a 0. 5 times 1 is, plus 3 is, so that works. Nothing left over, so my answer is 6 and 5/10. Number 10. Use the table to answer the questions. Lucinda buys a number of jump ropes. The total is $11.45. How many jump ropes does she buy? So how many jump ropes does she buy? The total is $11.45. So we're going to put $11.45 as my dividend. What's my divisor? $2.29. So what do I do first? Move the decimal 2 places to the right. What I do with the divisor, I do with the dividend. Okay. So 229. Does it go into 1? 11? 114? Nope. So we're going into 1,145. How many times do you guys think? 5. Okay, let's try it. So 5. 5 times 9 is, put the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is, plus 4 is, put the 4, mentally carry the 1. 5 times 2 is, plus 1 is. Okay, so how many jump ropes? Okay, Lucinda buys 8 boxes of chalk. The total is $14. How much does 1 box of chalk cost? So what's my dividend? 14. What's my divisor? 8. Do I have any decimals in the divisor? Nope, so I bring my decimal straight up. 8 into 14. Once minus 8 is 6. What do I put? A 0. Bring it down. 8 into 60. 11 times minus 56. 4 left over. Can I add another 0? Yep. Bring it down. 8 into 40. 5 times minus 40. Anything left over? Nope. So each box of chalk costs. Okay. Lucinda buys 2 jump ropes and several flying discs. The total is $18.08. How many flying discs does she buy? Okay. So 2 jump ropes are going to cost her what? So, well, 2 jump ropes are $2.30, right? Essentially. So $2.30 plus $2.30 is what? $4.60, and then take a penny off each one. $4.58. Okay, so the jump ropes are $4.58. Okay, and then we don't know how many discs, right? And then the total was $18.08. Okay, so we're gonna have to do what? $18.08 minus $4.58. So bring down the decimal. So 0. This becomes a 10. This becomes a 7. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. And bring down the 1. Now we're going to take 1350 divided by, how much does applying this cost? 150. Okay? I can't divide by a decimal, so I need to do what? Move it over twice. What I do to the divisor, I do to the dividend. So 150 into 1, no, 13, 135, 150, or 1,350. How many times? 9. Okay, let's try 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 5 is 45. Put the 5, mentally carry the 4. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 4 is 13. Nothing left over. So how many discs? So 9 flying discs. Okay. So we are going to keep recording. We may run out of time to record, but we will do the whole page. On your own, number 11, model with mathematics. Zachary has a container of worms for fishing. When empty, the mass of the container is 225 grams. With the worms in it, the container has a total mass of 751 and 4/10 grams. Each worm has a mass of 11 and 2/10 grams. How many worms are in the container? Write and solve the equations to model this situation. So the container itself is this. Total with the worms in it is this. Each worm weighs this. How many worms are in the container? So first of all, we need to do what? 751.4. Are we adding? We're subtracting, right? So minus 225. So 4, this becomes an 11. This becomes a 4. So 6, 2, 5. Is that right? Okay. And then what am I going to do now? Okay, can I divide by decimal? Nope. So I have to move this over one spot, this over one spot. So they multiplied by 10, right? So 112 into 5, 52? No. 526? 4 times. Okay. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So 16, 11, 4. So 8, 7, 4. Okay. How many times would 112 go into that, guys? 7 times. You guys agree? Okay. So 7 times 2 is 14. Mentally carry the 1. 7 times 1 is plus 1 is 7 times 1 is nothing left over. So how many words? 47 words. Number 12, a bathtub holds 112 and 7/10 gallons of water. How many 2 and 8/10 gallon buckets of water will it take to fill the bathtub? So what do we need to do first, guys? So 112.7, where does that go? In the house, right? And then that's our dividend. What's our divisor? Okay, what do I do first? Move the decimal over one place, so we multiply times 10, right? So 28 into 1, 28 into 11, 28 into 112. 4. Okay, let's try 4. 4 times 8 is 2. Mentally carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 3 is nothing left over. So I bring down my 7. Does 28 go into 7? No. 28 times 0 is 0. Put is 7 on 0. 7, add a 0, bring it down. 28 into 70. 3 times.